Hi, this is Lisa Somerville for Divinity Designs. Today I'm here to share with you the Snowman Family Christmas Card Kit. The Snowman Family Card Kit contains the following products. The Snowman Family Stamp Set. This is a set of 8. The Snow Globe Die Set. This is a set of 2. You have the Snow Globe and the Snow or a Grass Hill. When you die cut and emboss the Snow Globe, you'll have the Snow Globe and then the center. Anytime you see 2 shades of purple on the packaging or the web image, that does indicate that you should emboss your dies for best results. Embossing the dies will bring out the detail of your dies. The next die set, sentiment strips. This is a set of 8. Also included in the kit are 2 packages of glitter, 25 6x6 garland border card fronts. Also included but not shown are 25 window sheets. Not included are the cardstock for the base, snow globe, or snow mound. Additional add-on products not included: the A2 portrait card base with layer. This die will die cut and score your cardstock to create an A2 size card base, 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. The layer panel is 4 by 5 1/4. Shown here is the stamped and colored image on the garland paper placed on top of the A2 portrait card base. And shown here, you can see I've added the matting rectangle for a pop of color between the layer panel and the base card. Matting rectangle die is an additional add-on. Now let me show you just how easy it is to create your card using the products from the Snowman Family Christmas Card Kit, along with additional Divinity Designs products. Stamp your sentiment on a piece of the scrap garland border card front, then die cut using one of the dies from the sentiment strips die set. You can then set that aside. Using another scrap from the garland border card front, you'll die cut the snow hill from the snow globe die set. And you can use your favorite adhesive to add glitter to the snow hill. When you die cut and emboss the snow globe from gold cardstock, you're going to end up with the snow globe and then the center. This center from the gold cardstock we're not going to use. You can then use the snow globe die to die cut from the acetate. That's going to give you the clear window to create the snow globe. Stamp or heat emboss the Snowman Family onto the garland border card front. Then die cut and emboss this panel using the layering die from the A2 portrait card base with layer die set. Next, you'll go ahead and color the image. So here are the pieces that we have ready to go to assemble our card. We have the garland border card front. You can see the stamped and colored image. This panel was die cut using the layer panel from the A2 portrait card base with layer die set. Again, for my card, I'm also adding the matting rectangle. This die is not included in the card kit. And then we have our A2 portrait card base. We have the snow globe die cut and embossed from gold cardstock, the snow globe center from the piece of acetate, the sentiment from the Snowman family stamp set, stamped onto a scrap piece of the pattern paper, then die cut using the sentiment strips, the snow hill from the snow globe die set, where we've added the glitter. You'll start by adding the stamped panel to the base card, and if you're using the matting rectangle, you'll adhere that stamped pattern paper panel to the matting rectangle and then to the base card. And adhere that snow hill to the snow globe, and then you'll adhere the snow globe to the front of your card. You can then add the acetate window to the center of the snow globe and adhere the stamped sentiment with foam tape. And here's the completed card using the Snowman Family Christmas Card Kit, along with additional Divinity Designs add-on products. On this card, I've used the A2 portrait card base with layer die set and the matting rectangle. Again, those two dies are not included in the card kit. And here's an additional die that you might be interested in that coordinates with our snow globe die. That's our Manger and Stars die set, which is a set of 2. You can find product inspiration using this die set on the product pages on our website. For more inspiration using these and additional Divinity Designs products, visit the product pages on our website, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram.